What's up, guys? Haven't posted in a while because I went on vacation, and so yeah, the last video that I made was me passing the account. Um, took some trades on vacation, some wins, some losses, then some when I came back, and then this is the first one that I'm recording when I came from when I came back. Before I took this trade, my account was in negative, I think around 5 or 400, and then I took this trade, brought it back up. Um, but with me passing the account and over vacation having some winning trades, um, and with today, I'm now one winning day away from a payout. But actually, I'm gonna talk about that more later. But let's talk about what was going on in my head during this trade. So, yeah, I can just redo this. So, what happened today was, we have 9:30 open, right? So, let's go back. We, what do we see pre-market, or what do we see in the charts before market open? We see this 30-minute on NQ that at the time was unmitigated, and then right before market open, it mitigated. We also see that 30-minute, and then we also see this hourly gap that is fully mitigated twice, like ran through. Um, wow, that sounded crazy. Okay. Anyways, um, this hourly gap that's fully mitigated. We have a 30-minute that at the time was unmitigated. Then and just based on price action for the past couple days, I mean, we're pretty bearish. So I was looking to take shorts. Also, we have pretty good low resistance draws right here. Um, Coming down all the way from Asia low to this low right here, and even that one. Just a bunch of like failure swings and just generated liquidity. Um, yeah. So then market opens. What do? We tap into this 30-minute, and right now I'm looking at the 1 minute. So okay, 1 minute we tap in, we go lower, we take out some lows here, but my biases are like overly bearish, so not really taking longs after because we manipulate these lows inside of this 1 hour gap, but that 1 hour gap already got mitigated fully twice, and I just don't feel like I'm comfortable taking a trade out of that, especially with price action and how it's been very bearish. It's just my daily bias is bearish, so, and nothing happened to change that, so I'm just keeping it bearish. Okay, then we take out this high within this 30-minute, which was what I was hoping to happen, um, because yeah. And then what do? We come down and inverse this gap, and I was gonna enter here, but I actually don't know why I didn't enter here. No, I know why. It's because I didn't. Wow, bro, I sound like a dumbass. It's because I didn't like how little it closed above this gap. I feel like I would have needed like more of a displacement, even though this is pretty good displacement. Just coming out of like a not horrible losing streak, but I just want to be confident with my trades. So boom, we go lower. Okay, that's a clean inverse, but now I don't like the RR because my original plan was to target London lows. Stop goes here, and London lows here. It's a good RR, but I usually try and aim for 1 to 2 RR per trade. So I was now waiting for price to reach back into this zone, and I had my limit order like where I drew that line right here. So boom, if we get an entry there, doesn't happen for a while. This like wicked it, like barely, it almost hit it. I don't know why it didn't fill me there. I got kind of scared and like was like, oh my god, it's gonna run without me. And then it comes back up, actually goes deeper and fills this gap. I had my, so then my entry was, I entered here, stop around that candle open, and then take profit at London low. And then price does its thing. I wanted to just, you see how I drew out the LR and like it starts at Asia low. I wanted to take it all the way to Asia low. I just wasn't comfortable and didn't want to be greedy. It ends up getting hit. But yeah, I just didn't want to be greedy. So today was a good day. Feel like starting to understand stuff more, and even though this wasn't I'd say it was like an A setup. There was a little discretion used within this, but I feel like when you're trying to become profitable, you don't want to be like mechanical. You wanna be you wanna adapt to what the market gives you, and today I feel like that was a good demonstration of that. Yeah, so I don't know. One winning day away from a payout, but I'm not gonna let that get to my head because I'm not gonna take a payout even if it's a winning day, just because I want to build a buffer first. The drawdown on this account is 3K, so at least like a 2K buffer. I'm gonna try and go for 3K buffer until I start taking out payouts. But yeah. See you guys in the next video. I think now I'm gonna make videos every day just of what I think, or just like what I think of the market that morning, even if I don't take a trade, just like what went through my mind. Those are gonna be relatively shorter, so it's good to be back. I haven't posted in a while, but definitely gonna see more videos. So see you guys.